welcome back to a brand new video, or if you are new here, hello and welcome. Please ignore the glare from my glasses and the ring light. I know it's quite a pain, but at the same time, your girl can't see without her glasses, so I kind of do need them. So for today's video, like I did mention in a previous video, I'm kind of taking a different direction with my channel at the moment. I'm really into manifesting and crystals and meditating and law of attraction, all of that spiritual stuff I'm really into at the moment, and I'm kind of like on a journey. God, this sounds so deep. I'm kind of like on a journey at the moment of exploring that kind of side of everything, and I have been manifesting since I was really young, and I did not know that this was a thing. Like, I didn't know it was a name. My mum's friend used to call it cosmic ordering, so growing up I always used to call it that. I used to do like vision boards when I was little. I called them mood boards of how I wanted my life to look. Yeah, that is kind of what I grew up doing, and a lot of the things on my mood boards, like if I look back at them now, a lot of them did come true. If you guys would like to see my old vision boards from when I was younger, do let me know. My mum has them, so I'd have to get her to like send me a photo of them, but I had like 3 or 4, I think. I've got one here as well, which I always add to, and I also used to write letters to myself. Oh, I got a message. So I've been doing this for a very long time, but I didn't realise that there are so many different ways to manifest, and there's different types of manifestation. Researching this, there's so much and kind of become overwhelming. So I wanted this video to kind of be like a simple guide to all of the different types of manifestation, the different types of law of attraction. If you don't know what it means, I'll put a description of what law of attraction and manifesting is on the screen now. If you want me to do a whole video kind of explaining it in simpler terms, then do let me know, because like I said, that's something I'm getting into. But for this video, I'm basically just going to be telling you the different types of manifestation and what they mean. As always, I have my little notebook here with me. The first type of manifesting technique that I found is called scripting. Now, scripting is how you write down and you describe your life as if you already have it. So for instance, I would write down, I am so lucky that I live in this gorgeous house by the countryside that overlooks the fields. I absolutely love my 2 dogs, and I'm really lucky to be in my dream job of blank blank blank. So you basically would just write down a letter in really vivid detail of how you want your life to be as if you already have it. So use present tense, and also describe like your emotions of how you feel. So if you're in your dream job, you can say, I feel so empowered to be in my job. Describe in great detail. And I've actually seen a lot of people online say that scripting is the most effective technique for them. So what I might actually do, if you guys want me to do like trying all these techniques out, do let me know. Obviously I won't do them for huge things, because the huge things could take like years to come true. I might try to do some of these techniques. If you want to see me trying out these different manifestation techniques, leave a comment below, and which one would you like to see me do. So the another one is the 369. 369, what have I time. This one, some of these I don't know if I fully believe in them. Like this one is, you write down, similar to scripting, but it's specific the amount of times you write it down. So you write down what you're manifesting 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, and then 9 times at night. I do not know, does it say how long you have to write down for? It says 3 times in the morning, 6 in the afternoon, 9 at night time. But I don't know how long you do that for. Is it a month? Is it a year? Who knows? But that is another technique that I have seen, is a 369. Like saying like this, like that's just very repetitive. But again, okay, for example, let's just say a white Fiat. It's a very basic car in the UK. So you would say, I am so lucky that I have my dream car of the Fiat 500. When I got my car, it felt so good, feeling the cream seats for the first time. I don't know, something along those lines, you know? So you would do that 3 times, and then 6 times, then 9 times. Similarly, with writing down, it's the 555. So this one has got a time period on it. So you write down what you're manifesting 55 times for 5 days. So either just before you wake up, obviously you need to be awake to write these down, but like just before you get out of bed you can do this, or just before you go to sleep. So literally write down what you are manifesting 55 times. Again, always use present tense as if you already have it, because if you are putting out to the universe that you already have it and that vibration, then the universe will have no other choice but to give that back to you, because they think you already have it. It's very confusing how to explain this without sounding like I've lost my mind, but If you have read The Secret, you will understand what I mean. If you haven't read The Secret, I highly recommend it. This is where I learned loads about manifestation and all the techniques and law of attraction and everything like that. But I listened to The Secret on Audible, and I now listen to the second book, which is called The Power, and I highly recommend doing that. So one that I mentioned a minute ago then is a vision board. So like I said, you basically put down, and I've seen a lot of YouTubers doing this recently, like I don't know where this craze has come from, of loads of people discovering manifestation and law of attraction and vision boards, but it's a thing. A vision board is basically how you envision your life to be in the future. So kind of like the scripting technique, but in the sense that you're visually seeing what you want. So you would put the exact house you want, you would put the exact car you want, the breed of dog you'd like, your dream job, places you want to visit, phone or gadgets you want to have, or places you want to see, things you want to do, anything that you want, you put on a vision board, and then you put this vision board somewhere that you can see regularly. So I know that a lot of people are putting it as their background on their laptop screens, but to me that doesn't really make sense, because you can't actually see that, because when your windows and stuff are up, like Google and everything, it goes. So you have a vision, I have a physical vision board, like I got some card from home, where did I get it from? Hobbycraft, and then I got magazines, cut pictures up and stick them all down. You can do it on Pinterest if you want. I've done a vision board for my life on Pinterest at the moment, but it's a secret board, so I'm not sharing what's on it because they're my manifestations. So yeah, vision boards are extremely popular, especially if you're more of a visual person than like a scripter or a writer. Definitely recommend doing a vision board. And it's fun, it's a good way to kill an afternoon. Another thing is an intention journal. So I'm really big on journaling. I write down everything. I have so many notepads throughout my whole entire life that I've kept, which are so interesting to go back and see and read what I was like growing up. Basically, you write down your intentions once a month. So it's recommended that you do it on is it a new moon? Yeah. So it says that it's ideal to write down your intentions on the night of a new moon because it's ideal for planting seeds of intent. So if you don't, like I said, I'm not going to get into this in this video, but the moon has such a big part to play in manifestation and vibrations and everything really. The moon has a massive part to play in everything. But definitely write down in your journal, again, similar to like I have this, I have that, I cannot believe I've done this, I am so overjoyed that this has happened to me. Write it down in your journal once a month at the start of a new moon. If you don't know when the new moon is happening, you can literally type in, like we're in February at the moment, so I'll type in February moon cycle 2021, and then you can see all the stages of the moon each night of the whole entire month. You can see when a new moon is happening, a full moon. So yeah, it's really easy and quick and simple to do. So sticking on the theme of journals, it's a gratitude journal. Writing down things you're grateful for, basically just saying, I am so grateful that I have a amazing, I don't know, say if you want like a 6-bedroom house, very excessive. I am so grateful I have a 6-bedroom house on this street. So if you have a particular street that you know that you really want, write that down. I am so grateful that I have a 6-bedroom house on this street in this country with this person. I am so grateful that I have a dream job of being a YouTuber for a career. I am so grateful that I have my dream body. I am so grateful that I have happy and healthy intentions. I'm so grateful that my family are healthy. I am so grateful that I have the exact hair that I want. Things that you are grateful for. Otherwise, you can also write down things that you are grateful for that happened in that day, just so you know, because you can't. Another thing that I learned in The Secret is you receive what you put out to the universe. So if you're putting out negativity and you're saying, oh my god, I've had such a bad day, nothing's going right, then the universe will be like, well, then nothing will go right. You know what I mean? Definitely be grateful for things. Don't get wound up about the tiny things in life. If you're having a bad day, don't let it affect you that much, because the universe will pick up on that. If you say to yourself, oh, I'm never gonna have my dream car, then you won't get that dream car. You need to be grateful for things, because if you show gratitude and you show appreciation for things in your life, then the universe will give you what you would like in return. Again, like I said, I've done this before, is letters to your future self, but you have to talk in, this is really weird. So if I was writing a letter now to myself when I am 30, I would be filling myself in previously. So I'd be like, hi Tiana, oh my god, I can't believe you're only 24. You have so much going on ahead of you. This will happen when you're this age. You will get a promotion at work when you are 26. You will have such and such digits in your bank account when you're 27, and it will happen through this. Like, it's like you're filling in your past self things that you want to happen. Does that make sense? I'm hoping that makes sense. I hope I don't actually sound like a crazy person. But yeah, so that is another thing that I would definitely do, is writing letters to your future self. I have always done this, and I always find it so interesting to look back on. So yeah, that is another thing that I would definitely do, is writing letters to your future self, but make sure you do it as though you are the age that you're reading the letter. Make sense? Affirmations. So affirmations are so important, and I'll read out exactly what I've written down in my diary. Affirmations. So speak in the present tense, i.e. I am incredible, I am beautiful, I am powerful, because that will eliminate any self-limiting doubts you have about yourself. If you want to become a TV presenter, but you're thinking, oh no, I'm too shy, I'm too nervous, then you won't ever become that, because you don't think you're capable of doing that, and the universe will feel how you're feeling. So if you're like, yes, do you know what, I'm such a confident person, I'm so outgoing, you become how you're feeling and how you're saying that out loud. So do you know the saying, like, fake it till you make it? It's pretty much the same thing. So I could say, I am such a, I don't know, an example to give about myself. So yeah, I could be like, oh my god, I am such a healthy person, I never let negativity get to me. You know, just believe in yourself, and don't beat yourself up. Don't be like, oh my god, no, I can't have my dream job because I'm not smart enough, there's somebody smarter than me, or there's somebody that was better than me to get it. No, be the best, because you are the best. Be like, I am worthy of this promotion, I am just as smart, just as intelligent, just as capable of everybody else in this workplace, I am confident that I'm going to get this. So you just have to have so much self-belief. Have the belief. There are obviously so many more. Once I wrote these notes up, I looked and I was like, wow, I've actually missed quite a few out, but there are so many that I didn't want this video to be like 40 minutes long. So if you do want to see a part 2 of this, do let me know. Also, if you want to see me trying out any of these techniques for smaller things in my life, then again, do let me know. I could tell you some examples of things that have happened to me. That was it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this. Different lighting, different glasses, different everything for me. I'm having a whole like 180 change on everything. But if you enjoyed this video, guys, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and comment down below on if you believe in manifestation or the techniques you've tried, if there are techniques that you think I've missed out that you want me to mention in another video. I'm all ears. And I will see you guys soon for a brand new video. Bye.